Hello, my name is Mira. I want to say thank you for supporting us.
Thank you so much because this all of our students are came from very far area. They don't have sufficient support. Some are they have no mother. Some are also they don't have father and struggling for their academic achievement by themselves. So please, our huge institution, we say to thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Have a nice time. My father bless you home.
Okay. Hello, Horshu. My name is Berat. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anshu.